Four in the back sometime.
Ты написала?
Да.
Валентина.
Письменно.
Теперь здесь напиши, как тебе понравилось, что тебе понравилось, что не понравилось. Это Донья Рима играет. Мы с ней недавно познакомились, она предложила, что поиграть здесь. Я хотела брать у нее уроки гитары. Очень интересная женщина. Вот. Понимаешь, теперь нажимаешь.
New groups, community members here to share the celebration of the installations that we're seeing tonight. It's a wonderful show, the diversity of mediums and contexts, but yet they're all so very, very thoughtful. It takes a long time actually to go around and really look at things well, so I hope you enjoy doing that this evening and through the next 6 weeks or so. And I would just like to introduce Susan Jessup, who is our gallery coordinator, who will say a few more words.
Well, thank you again, everybody, for coming. And as you can see, we have Rose Eysmond's work, Nature Morte et Vivante. And it's a stunning exhibition, I think you'll all agree. Each piece, as you go around, I've been looking at it all day and just thinking, each piece tells its own story. It exists in its own right. And yet together as an exhibition, we have an insight into Rose's world, which is just as fascinating. So that's a wonderful exhibition. We have Debbie Tupar's work in our 3D gallery. Debbie's work is very dynamic. It draws you in with its fantastic colours and textures. And at the same time, it gets you to ponder and think about the bigger questions in life. So I hope you all had a really good look. I'm sure you have. And we have Olga's stunning work in our Plum Gallery. Very kind of jewel-like work, which a lot of people are saying is just absolutely beautiful. Very, very stunning work. And we have an exciting installation by Ursula of Zula Jewellery. And that is a perfect setting for her dynamic and very unique work. So I think you'll agree that the whole thing together is a really exciting group of exhibitions. I wanted to hand over to our artist, one of our artists today, Rose, who'd like to say a few words. I hope that the other artists that are here, you can find them, and if you have any questions, please feel free to talk to them about their work. That's what they're here for, and they want to engage with you about what they're doing. So please take that time to ask any questions that you have about the work that you can see here. So I just want to hand over to Rose. We're also going to ask Olga.
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 Great.
I know you don't speak very much English, but we do have a translator. So maybe after Rose has spoken, we can hear from Olga too. That would be great. So Rose.
Hello. So I'm very happy to have my solo show here at this gallery. I really like this gallery. There's also very nice ambience and very interesting shows. So I'm very glad that I have a chance to exhibit my art here. And the name of my show is Nature Morte, Vivante. It's a play on the words, which is pretty difficult to translate. Nature Morte means still life. So Nature Morte, Vivante might be translated as life still or not. And today is July 14th. It's a French holiday. It's a day of Bastille. So it's a coincidence, but I consider it like my contribution to French community that the fact that the name of the theme is in French. I invited quite a few speaking people, so it's nice. So I also wanted to tell, so most of the paintings were created especially for this show. So they are signed with my artistic name, Rose Eysmond. However, there's quite a few of them that were created a few years back. So they were signed with my real name, like A.B. So just so you know, don't get confused if you see different signatures, they're all mine. There are two signatures. So that's all, just enjoy the show, and I wanted to encourage you to sign in our guest book. It's really important for me, for example, to get your feedback, your impressions, your comments. And I wanted to thank all my friends who gave me lots of support and inspiration. And I wanted to say a special thank you to my to my new friend, a wonderful lady, Donya Rima, who is playing for us tonight. And also she just met recently, but I already learned a lot from her, and she gave me lots of inspiration. And also to my new friend Anya, who saw this dress for me. And to Susan Jessup, who coordinated all that. And for everybody who came here to who made this on this rainy day. Just enjoy the show. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And Olga, if you'd like to say a few words, that would be great.